Right everyone, as a quick video, I've got some eggs for the birds. Going to be mixing them up some eggs today. Fleeing them out and doing them now the hot weather's coming. They need a bit of flea treatment for the birds. 1 ml to a 2 litre jug. Let's give it a stir up. Boxes here. Took out all the water jugs yesterday, so make sure to put it in their system. Then ones come abroad from abroad, the Toshavos, and they need a bit of flea treatment. As some of the chicks I bred myself.
How old are these, Mike?
Oh, they'll be about a couple of months now. Yeah, but make sure when you're exhaling, make sure to take your jugs out a day beforehand. If you look at these birds here, I took them out, took the jugs out yesterday.
And why have you got to do that?
Well, to make sure they don't spill it,
Right.
or knock it over because it's real expensive stuff. So make sure they get it in their system.
I like this one. It's blue red, but Mike's doing. Shut this up, George. What's this? Same thing again?
Same thing again, 1 ml to 2 litres. And then 7 days later you've got to do it again. Best stuff. I've used all different things like mite, a lot of different stuff.
Yeah.
But the best stuff is the exile.
Sunbird is looking really well.
Gingerbread.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got a few eggs in the incubator outside there. Hopefully they'll be hatching in another week, I think. Is left on them?
Yeah. Be a good cross. Done the chicks as well. Look at him, George. And if anybody wanted to get this stuff, where would they get it from?
It's got to come off of a vet. Only a vet can prescribe it. But it's worth taking your birds into a vet if your birds have got red mite or anything like that, and getting some of it, because it is very, very good stuff. Best stuff to use. That'll be the video today. It's just a quick video of fleeing the birds, treating them for red mite and stuff like that. I will do another video a bit later on. I've got a nice set of Yakodus, what I'm going to post up, show everyone. Yeah, everybody likes the video. If you haven't liked it and subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and do that, and I'll see you all in the next one. Cheers.